So guys, welcome back to the channel Cat Comrade, and in today's video we're going to learn about how to make a back painted glass in SketchUp. So it feels very real and rendering also. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to select the rectangle tool and make a base. So let's make a 20 mm by 1000 mm of a glass base, which is approximately like this. Then without forgetting, always make it a group, and then we extrude it till the height of 3 meters, which is 3000 mm. So all you have to do is making a back painted glass. Let's say we want to make a back painted glass of the color gray. Okay, so we go in SketchUp materials, and we go and we search for solid colors, which is right over here, colors. So let's say we want to make orange back painted glass. So all you have to do is go inside this back painted glass group, and then leaving the front side, any of the larger front side you using as a glass. You all you have to do is just color all the rest of the surfaces, control A, and just color all of the surfaces orange. Then what you have to do is, then again you have to go in materials, and then you have to select glass right over here in the glass and mirror section. So what you have to do this is just select a mirror, whatever you want to use. Let's say I want to use what back painted glass gray. So all you have to do is just have to change the material of one of the surfaces of the group as orange, and rest all has to be blue from all the sides. So yeah, let's alter, pick color, and then inside also you have to do is orange on all the sides. So just leaving the front surface as glass, all the rest of the side has to be colored of the back painted glass that you want in your model. So this is how we make a back painted glass in SketchUp. It is that easy. So if you like the video, then share it with someone who may need it. And thank you.